Hi, I'm Yusuf from LDA Audio Tech, and today I'll be introducing you to NEO Plus, our next generation public address and voice alarm system. The NEO Plus is an EN54 certified public address and voice alarm system. It's mainly used in projects where scalability, intelligibility, and reliability is crucial. In modern buildings and complex projects, you need more than just compliance. You need a system that is easy to deploy, easy to maintain, and easy to scale without compromising safety. And that's exactly where the NEO Plus comes in. The NEO Plus is built around three core principles. First is modularity. The system effortlessly scales from small to large installations, multi-zone installations, and multi-building networks, all using AES-67. Second is intelligence. With our advanced TSP, continuous line monitoring, and full system supervision, the NEO Plus ensures clear, audible, and intelligible messages when they matter the most. Third is integration. The NEO Plus integrates seamlessly with BMS, fire alarm, and third-party applications, making it perfect for complex installations. Our architecture is IP-based, fully redundant, and engineered to meet the strictest international standards. Every component is designed with fault tolerance and operational continuity in mind. In short, the NEO Plus is a complete ecosystem built for today's safety requirements and tomorrow's expansion. Thank you, and we look forward to designing with you.